Hola, hola, hola guys, it's me, and although I am still dying in my element in my house, I just received, not too long ago, my Boxyluxe box, which was a pleasant surprise because I didn't even get the email that it was shipped, so I wasn't expecting it at all. So, let me see, pull up the camera and show you guys what I got. I honestly don't have any idea what I got. I don't even remember the last email I got from Boxyluxe. I just haven't been paying attention to my emails lately. But I'm gonna go into the box now. I have not looked in the box at all, so I am literally opening it right now. Oh my gosh, I already see something that I actually needed. So let's go into it. Alright, so as usual, they will send you the little postcard with the writing on the back of all the products that you would be getting in your Boxyluxe. So let's see. I'm going to put all the information below if you're interested, if you haven't gotten a Boxyluxe, if you haven't signed up. I don't know what you're waiting for, Mija, but you need to get on the wagon. So the first product, and I am actually so happy I got this because I was actually telling my husband that I needed one, because my other one is like, I've had it for like a gazillion years and it's so busted. This is from Daily Concepts, and this is Your Hair Wrap Towel. So this was a nice surprise. This is, okay, towel wrap, reduces frizz, blah blah blah, yeah, reduces risk of split ends and excessive damage, and the price of this would be $18. So I'm just gonna open it up. Well, hopefully I can open it up. I hate when they have like this. Okay, all right, I got it, y'all. All right, so yay. So this is, you know, just your standard, you know, wrap your hair up when you wash it and all that stuff. So I definitely needed one, so now I don't have to go get one, and it is in pink, which is my favorite color, so very happy about that. So yay, I'm liking that. Yes, very happy about that. Okay, so I'm gonna go into the next product. This is from Cosmetics. All right, and this is the box. I have no idea what it is. Let's see, let's open it up and see what it is. Oh, okay, it's a face and body massage beauty roller. Oh, I remember this. They sent the email to me a couple weeks prior asking, like, you know, when they send you two products and they're like, which one do you want? And I had actually asked for this. Alrighty, so okay, so let me go ahead and open this up and show it to you. Woo, so this is what it is. And it's so nice and cold. It is so cold. So this is how the product is, and this is how you would use it. You use it on your forehead. Oh, it's so cold. Your cheek, collarbone, upper arm. So this is blah blah blah, your skin to leave it feeling energized. It promotes, you know, stimulation and all that. Yeah, easy to hold, blah blah blah, and you just massage it on your body and face wherever you want. So yeah, this is really cute. So blah 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 blah, you can get a better effect after bath. It helps with the absorption of skincare products, which is kind of what I wanted it for. I wanted to see how it would work. Oh my god, it's so cold, it feels so weird. But yeah, so that was the product that I had gotten, and I think it's really cute. Retail value is $69. So, well, it's an innovative beauty tool used to improve the visibility of fine lines, enhance skin texture, and uplift fatigued skin. We'll see what happens with that. Okay, so next product, this is Power Up Dual Phase Setting Mist. So, and this is from my Win Beauty project. I'm trying to look for it on here. I can't, where is it? I have no idea. Anyway, it helps to set makeup, energize, and revive skin, filters away dull, tired, and stressed out complexion, use under makeup to prep the skin, over makeup to set your look, and throughout the day to refresh tired skin. So that's interesting. I'm kind of, let me see, I want to see if there's maybe some type of scent to it. Okay, so I got it open. Just want to see if it's, it smells, it doesn't smell, it kind of like, it smells kind of like like something fresh, like a fresh herbally scent, but it doesn't smell bad. So to pick me up if you need to get it through day and night, blah blah blah, activates and transforms as you shake it. Yeah. Oh yeah, aromatic from plants. It's scented with energizing aromatic from plants. So I was right. Retail value on this is $32, and this is In Beauty Power Up Dual Phase Setting Face Mist. So I guess I'm interested in seeing what that's about. So, alrighty, so I'm gonna go on to the next product, and this is in a little plastic thingy with a little coupon. M Greengrass, 30% off my first purchase. Okay, so this is M Greengrass, and this is dry oil spray. Interesting. The fragrance is Beach Air, and it's inspired by France. Fragrance number 2. So let me go and find this. Okay, so this is fast absorbing multi-purpose dry oil spray formulated with a blend of high quality oils that penetrate, deliver superior moisture, leaving skin soft and luminous without feeling greasy. Layer with hand and body for extra texture. Oh, that's nice. Interesting. Okay. Ooh, so it is a fine texture. Oh yeah. So this is, as you can see, it's really nice. It's definitely a dry oil. It does not feel greasy, but it does have my skin looking nice, and it absorbs rather quickly. The smell is okay. Not crazy about the smell. It kind of smells kind of lotiony. I can't really put my hand on it right now. No pun intended. But yeah, that doesn't smell too bad. It kind of fades a little bit and fades into this nice little faded fresh scent. So it doesn't smell too bad. Alright, so I guess I'll see what I do with that one. And where is the price on this one? I'm trying to figure it out so I can let you guys know. Okay, yeah. Retail value is $36 for that bottle. Okay, so I'm gonna go into the next one. And lots of skincare going on here. Oh, cool. Okay, this is the Fresh, and this is the Soy Face Cleanser. So that's actually cool. I never am against, at any time, am I ever against getting a facial cleanser. Full size, y'all, which is why I love the Boxyluxe. So obviously we are very, familiar with this. Retail value for this is $48. It's a gel cleanser for all skin types and has a cult following, blah, blah, blah. It has amino acid rich soy, proteins, calming cucumber extract, and balancing rose water. It also soothes and tones. So yeah, I will be definitely looking forward to using that product. Bye bye box. All right, next product. Oh, something else. Elemis. So this is the Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. Oh, I'm actually pretty interested in this as well. Retail value for this is $79. Luxurious and lightweight facial oil with precious trio of rose extracts to help smooth the look of fine lines and wrinkles, leaving the skin with a luminous glow. So definitely looking for that. One thing that I'm never upset at getting is a facial oil or a cleanser. So this is how it looks if you have not seen that. So I'm definitely looking forward to using this as well. And it definitely does smell like rose water. So I like that. That's nice. I'm definitely looking forward to using that product. Alright, so let me go a little more into my box here. Okay, so this is from Too Faced. Okay, it's a lip gloss. I'm not big on lip gloss these days, but I'll appreciate a lip gloss. So this is the Rich Dazzling High Shine Sparkling Lip Gloss, and retail value on this is $21. Okay, I remember these. These are from the little, like the diamond collection that came out. I have the palette to this. So this is High Shine Gloss, brings dimension, light reflecting glitters and pearls, ultimate rich effect, blah blah blah. So this is the color that I got, and this is called Crazy Rich. And let me see if I could just swatch it on my hand. So here is the color right here, and this is cute. It's like a pinky with some, golden reflects in it from what I'm seeing, and this is a decent color. It's nice. And I guess I can give it a try. I can use it as a topper. I don't think I would like it alone. A lot of times these days I really don't use lip gloss alone. Alright, so okay, so now finally I'm going into like the makeup. Okay, so this is from Ciate London, and this is the Ciate London Confetti Glitter. So I'm going to open this up. And I'm looking forward to looking at this because Alrighty, so here's the highlighter right here. Confetti, and let me open this up and see how it looks. Oh, okay. So here is the color right here. And let's see. Oh, it's interesting. It's very bronzy. Kind of like a dark, it's like a dark champagne-y, almost bronzy color. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to use that. I probably can maybe get away with that maybe as a an eyeshadow or something, but that's definitely gonna be a little too dark for me to put on my face. So I'm a little bit disappointed about that one. Oh my gosh, so I'm trying to see, and this one is a $32 value. So achieve a sun-kissed glow with Sadie London's confetti highlighter. Mix of shades, carefully pressed together for radiant highlight in one sweep. Unfortunately, that is going to be a little dark for me, so I'm going to have to find another way to use that highlighter. So disappointed about that. All right, now the last product, oh my gosh, and my little car went flying over there, was this beautiful palette. Oh, it's so pretty. This is from Storybook Cosmetics, and this is a Once Upon a Time. There were, what, 3 sisters who never stopped believing in fairy tales, and they all lived happily ever after. So this is a palette that this is so cute, Fairy Tales palette. It's so pretty, and it opens just like a book. So here are the colors right here, and it's such pretty packaging. It has such a pretty mirror. On top of it, it says, "Life itself is the most wonderful fairy tale, Hans Christian Andersen." So here are the colors that are all in this palette, and I'm really liking this. The color story is really pretty, very fairy tale-ish. This is bringing me, you know, really springy vibes. So this is a very lovely palette. I really love the packaging. It is so unique. It looks just like a book from far. You would never know it wasn't a book unless you open the palette to see that it was a palette. So very nice, very excited. All right, so those are the products that I got in my Boxyluxe this month. Actually, the products were pretty good. I actually liked it. Unfortunately, the highlighter, you know, I can't really do anything with that. It's just too dark. So kind of disappointed about that one. The lip gloss is alright, but I know it's going to sheer out, so it's more likely to be used as a topper for me. But all the other products I was very happy about. Especially the skincare products, definitely looking forward to that. So yeah, so that's about it. I'm happy that I was able to open this in front of you guys and you're able to see the products that I got. So thank you guys for watching, and I will be back again very soon on here with a brand new video for you guys. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Adios.